thanks very much for taking the time out. Can you tell us about how exactly your loan book is doing in Q3 compared to Q2? If I'm not mistaken, it was quite stagnant at around 9,500 crores in the previous quarter.
Yes, the gold loan book was around 9,500 crores and there is still a month to go. So let us see how it ends up. But you should now focus on our consolidated book, which has actually going up every quarter, and we expect it to go up again this quarter as well. As you know, we've added microfinance as a major business segment for us. And now almost 7% of our book is from the new businesses that we have set up. So it is better to focus on the consolidated numbers.
Okay, so if you, Mr. Krishan, good morning. So if you could give us an outlook on consolidated business, any generic outlook, and if possible, if you could give us some numbers.
See, as a policy, we don't give specific guidance on quarterly numbers, but we expect steady growth. Over the next 3 years, if that's something useful, we are looking at almost 20% CAGR in our consolidated book.
Okay. Can you tell us how your Asirvad MFI is doing at this point in time? What are the growth rates that you're tracking, and which are the geographies you're focusing on?
Yes, so Asirvad, when we took it over last year, it had assets under management of 320 crores. And we expect that number to close at anyway between 700 to 750 crores for FY16.
Oh.
It is growing at almost 30% sequentially every quarter. And when we took it over, it was mainly in the state of Tamil Nadu and little bit in Karnataka and Kerala. We have expanded their presence significantly in Karnataka. And because of Manappuram's All India presence, we have taken Asirvad Microfinance to other states in the rest of the country as well. We've added Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana, Jharkhand, UP, Bihar, and that is why we expect the book to be at least 2,000 crores in the next 3 years.
Okay, Kapil, you have quite a bit of exposure to Tamil Nadu. Any impact that you can foresee from the recent floodings? That still remains the biggest national news.
Yes, the company is headquartered in the state of Tamil Nadu, and when there is a natural disaster, there are some delays in the collections, but there are no bad debts as such, because every borrower today has to maintain a good credit bureau record. And if he is a permanent defaulter, he will not get another microfinance loan. Having said that, this recent issue is quite localized, and we have already diversified to other states, as we discussed. So we don't foresee any major problem. Further, the current principal at risk is hardly 3 basis points, means the overdues. And there is a standard provisioning of 1%, which is not used at all. So the books will not be affected definitely.
Okay, so no impact on Q3 numbers or a marginal impact?
Absolutely no impact on Q3 numbers.
Okay. All right, fair enough, Kapil. We're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and talking to us. Well, time for a break now, but KK Mohanty, the Managing Director of Gammon Infra, will be joining in next.